how to update your Apple Watch. So this is my iPhone and this is my Apple Watch, and I'm going to show you two methods, one from an iPhone and one from an Apple Watch. So let's go to the iPhone in the watch application, and in the watch application you want to scroll down till you see general, and in general the second option is software update. Click on software update. It's going to check for an update, and right away you can see we have a 1.6 GB update for an Apple Watch. That is insane, but you can click download and install right over here and it will download and install. That's one way. The second way is go to your Apple Watch, open applications with the crown. So the crown is our dial, and with that go to settings. In settings scroll down till you see general, and here you can see again the second option is software update. Click on that. If I scroll down you can see we have an watch OS update over here. I can click on download and install. To install the Apple Watch update, I have to actually open the application on my iPhone and accept the terms and conditions, which I am going to agree to, and then it's going to estimate and basically download and install the update for me, and that's about it. It's going to automatically restart like any other device, and it will be updated by them. Hopefully this video has been useful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.